We just had a snowstorm. We needed to get gas for the 2015 Mazda CX-5 and we're going to be taking this car out. What's good, AB fam? It's your boy Abnolimit here, back again with another POV video. We have 39 kilometers of range left. Gas light is on. Funny enough, I don't even really have money like that. I'm just going to go to the gas station and buy like $20 worth of gas and call it a day. But this 2015 Mazda CX-5 is a front wheel drive. We have the all-wheel drive one, but that's not the one we have here today. We have the front-wheel drive, and we're taking it on an adventure in the snow. We have winter tires on as well. A bit of slip. Press it. Oh, traction. Okay. It's going. Bit of traction, but it was good. A bit bumpy as well. The car is a bit bumpy, the suspension is a bit stiff, steering wheel is good, I like it. Slow down. Oh, brake is fighting. Nobody, we're good. Punch it. Traction. Ooh wee! Traction going crazy, man. God damn. Traction going crazy. Alright, stop sign. Nobody hit it. Honestly, for front wheel drive, not bad. Traction. Not bad. For front wheel drive, this car is not bad at all. I expected the car to slip way more. It's fun. It didn't slip as much as I expected it to. Whoop. Wow. I can't even see behind me because of the light, but it's calm. Pull up to the gas station right now and get some gas. Slow it down. Then we head onto the highway, whip it a bit. Okay, slowing down, car coming, turn it. Oh, traction. Oh, holy, that was traction, man. Oh, almost put us to the sidewalk, man. Bro, I expected it to like hold on there more, but if you notice, like, I'm not driving like a normal person would. I'm actually like pushing it to its limit, and it's actually doing not bad. Clear. Right, we're pulling up to the gas station, and this heads-up display is like, you know, it's not stock with the car. I added it to the car. It's just a cheap one from Amazon for like $30. I can link it down below if you want it. It's okay. It gets the job done than me having to look here all the time. The check engine light is just exhaust leak, nothing too crazy. When I have the time, I'm going to fix that. It's not really affecting the car right now. Pulling up to the gas station. Boop. Car coming. To the turning lane. Good. My man took my spot, man. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a go around because the gas tank is on the driver's side. Oh, mama. Oh, turning radius is trash, obviously. It's back. Nobody coming. Good. Put on. Calm. And oh, Mazda. And the Mazda in front of us. How nice. Handbrake on, this on. Get some coins from here. From our medium-sized cup holders. Let's go pay for this. Whew. Always lock your car when you get to the gas station, man. If you leave it on, bro, you're not gonna see the end of it, man. La. Oof. Oh, hi. Can I get $22 gas pump? What pump is that?
Just give us a second. We're switching the shifts.
Oh, okay, no problem. That one. 5. Okay. Can I get $22 gas pump number 5 regular? Yeah. I'll be paying with this and the rest of my card. Let's go.
Terset sebagai pusat Like terset sebagai pusat.
Alright, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Okay. Thinking that I wasn't gonna approve, but I did. We're good. Alright, come on. Let's fill up this car. The car's not looking bad, not gonna lie. It's looking really nice for the winter time. Come on. I'm gonna have to back in if this Mazda 3 doesn't move. It's quite windy outside. I'm sorry if the audio is bad. It's windy. Regular. Oh, it moved. Nice. Let's pump the gas. It's really windy, man, and it's cold. Eesh. Then we're gonna hit the highway, man. That's the next step. Hits the highway. It's like with the camera on my head, everybody's literally staring at me. Like everybody's staring at me like, what the fuck is going on? 22, just 14 liters. Sorry? Sorry, I don't speak French. Oh, does? Oh, I don't know it, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. I don't know where the hospital is. I'm not gonna cap. If it was Ottawa, bro, I got it. But Gatineau, not. See, the cap is cut, so you need to put like this and sneakishly hide it here like this. Boop boop. Put that it. Open the door. Oh, there we go. Oh, so windy, so cold. That's the leg. Let's see how much gas we got. We're at like, dang, we barely got anything though. We barely got anything. God. Silver. Let's head to the highway. Whip this thing there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, check. Nobody's coming. Whip a bit. Oh, holy, traction going crazy. Bro, I swear the car to Android well, man. The car was just going crazy. Holy. Bro, it's cold outside, man. It's cold. The wind just makes it colder. Whew. I'm not gonna lie. This was my first Mazda and I enjoyed it. The 2015 Mazda CX-5. Right now the car has been gobbling on gas, man. The car been drinking gas like a thirsty bee, man. Like a thirsty bee. Everything, man. Dang. All right, well, pulling up to the highway right now. Let's whip this thing, man, and then we'll go back whipping on the streets as well. Enjoy all the traction. Funny thing is, like, I've never had an all-wheel drive car. The first car I ever had was a 2008 or 2007 Toyota Camry, one of them. Either a 2008 or 2007. Then after that, I got a 2010 for Taurus. Then after that, I got this, man. And they were all front-wheel drive, not all-wheel drive. So it's like, I'm kind of used to the front-wheel drive. All right, ready? Go pull in. We'll push it to its limit. Okay, I'm gonna put in manual. Push it to the side. Downshift. Come on, come on. There was a car coming. Grandma was probably scared for his life. I take you back to automatic, man. I enjoy it. God, the road noise is crazy so much. We always listen to music, so we don't notice how crazy the road noise is, but it's actually crazy, man. It's crazy. It's a lot. It might also be because it's quite windy outside, but still, the tire noise, the road noise, bro, you can hear it, man. I've enjoyed the car, man. I'm not gonna lie. I've not really whipped this car like this in a while. I've not whipped it like this in a while, man. I don't know. Should I keep staying on the highway? Nah. Let's exit, go around. I just want to play in the snow, not gonna lie. I want to play in the snow. I want to play in the snow, bad. Alright, where's the exit? Where does it break? That's the thing about snow, man. You can't see the lines anymore. Wait, is this not? Oh, you see what I'm saying? I was on the shoulder, I didn't even realize. I was on the shoulder for so long and it was do vroom for so long, man. I can't even see the line of where I'm supposed to exit, man. Crazy. Alright, pull it. It's going. It rolls a bit. Alright, cool. Chill out. Ready? Roll it. Slowly but surely. There's snow. Slowly but surely. I'm not trying to like spin out. Slowly but surely, man. Slowly but surely. Alright. I'm gonna whip it around. I think this is the way to the highway. I think it's this way. I think I go this way. I don't even have my map or nothing. I'm just hoping it's this way. But honestly, the car has been great to us. The only problem. Oh, traction. Whip it. Oh, nice. The only problem we've had in this car is the exhaust light. Except from that, engine A1, transmission A1, everything in the car is so good, man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man. I've had this car for over a year, and bro, the car didn't disappoint me at all. Not once did the car disappoint. Alright, this is our exit here. So we're going, I don't know, is it this? I think it's this way, bro. I'm not even sure. If we go this way and we end up going all the way back, bro, I'll do a U-turn somewhere else. I don't know, but I think it's this way. Okay. It's clear. Red lights. Stop. Go. Let's go. Boop. Alright, wait. Push it. Come on. Slow it down, man. It's no way. I'm not trying to like slip. This is a front wheel drive car. Before I know I'm in a ditch. A big ass ditch. Come on. Hold it. The steering is quite responsive. Doesn't feel too up. There we go. Holy, I kind of lost control there for a minute. Oh my god, my heart was in my ass, man. I was like, oh shit, this way, hands. Car coming. Nope, we're good. There we go. Oof. The crazy thing is, like, when you're on the highway, the passing power of the car is trash. You have to like press it almost all the way down, and it's ass, man. It's ass. I press it all the way down, but pedal to the metal. Crazy. The car is a fun car, man. I just wish it had more power. I feel like if it had more power, the car would be like 10 times way better, man. Bro, see how much gas. Bro, once I had like 250 or something. Bro, the car just drinks gas, man. Suspension is great. It's not great. I mean, I said it's great. Suspension is okay, bro. Man, you're going over bumps like, and then the interior is not even helping. The interior quality, like, see, it's janky, shaky. You're moving on high speed. The spoiler at the back is loose as well, so everything shakes in the car. It's like, if you're looking for a reliable car that will get you from point A to point B, no problem, and you don't have to worry about anything, this is the car for you. Or if you're wanting anything with luxurious feature, man, maybe not this one. Maybe look at the like older models of the Mazda CX-5. Like maybe look at the 2018, 2019. Those ones, they have like a lot of features. This one, there's the like premium one that comes with heated seat and whatnot, but this is the base model. This is the GX trim, so there's nothing. It comes with absolutely nothing. It's bone dry. You just get a car that you drive from point A to point B and listen to music that sounds like static sometimes. And the funny thing is that the sound system, sometimes it doesn't even work. That's the funny thing. It doesn't work. Like you put on the sound system and then the driver's side just turns off for some reason. You have to like restart the car. Sometimes you're using I'm on the phone now, I'm talking to someone, and then I get into the car, start the car, I connect to the Bluetooth and everything. It just starts stripping out. It starts disconnecting, disconnecting. I have to like hang up the call, turn off the car, turn it on again, just to like get the Bluetooth to connect, which is crazy. Push it. Not much snow here, which is good. All right, come on. It's a great car if you're looking for a reliable car. Let me clean the back. It's a great car if you're looking for a reliable car that, you know, a car that you really enjoy. I love the car, man. My next car is going to be a Mazda as well. I just love what they stand for. I didn't know nothing about Mazda, and all of a sudden I saw a CX-5. I was like, okay, wow, let's try out the car, and I've loved it ever since. All right, let's do brake test at 40 kilometers an hour or 38. Not bad. No snow. Body behind were good. Don't worry, I checked before I did that, man. I looked at my mirror. Because my head is not moving doesn't mean I'm not checking. Come on. Pushing it. Let's find where there's a snow patch and do the brake test again. It stopped snowing. It said it was still gonna snow for like the next 2 hours. I don't know why I stopped. We're gonna stop here. Anyone behind me? No. There's no snow patch. Ready? It's not bad. For a 10-year-old car, iPad fell. For a 10-year-old car, the brake is actually quite good, and we've not changed the brake in a while. We're actually planning on changing the brake, so it's really good. All right, come on. Some snow. It's handling it well. They shovel these people's snow quick, man. Oh, stop sign. I totally forgot, did not see the stop sign. Come on, let's go. Oh, it's time to snow again, just a bit, man. No, that's the reason why I'm taking this car this route, because there's a place I want to try out. I'm gonna go there right now. Let's do the roundabout first. Ready? Foot. Zup. Rolls. No bowstring, so you're moving with the car. You're in the car, you're one. Oh, car's coming. Calm it down. All right, come on, push it. Come on. 70. See, no car coming. Push it. It goes. The steering wheel is quite responsive. I like how it's tuned. You push it, it goes. Even if it's the littlest of input. See? You can like feel it. See? You can like feel it moving. Well, I can. I don't know if you guys can. Okay, I'm gonna do a U-turn. See what the turning radius is all about. Here. Out. No car behind me. Ready? Pull it. It's trash. It's not gonna go. Also because of the snow, because there's no space on the road. No car coming. Push it back. Stop. We also don't have backup camera, so you have to do it the old way. Traction. God damn. Traction. Bro, traction wanna kill me, man. Come on, put in the band. There we go. Hold it. It goes, man. This car is not even meant for this. It's just meant to be driven with your family, man, and it's actually doing really good for a 10-year-old car. Come on. Not bad. I love this car. I'm gonna be honest. It's one of my favorite cars ever. I got the car and I was surprised at how good it was. I'm not gonna lie. So if you're looking for a car that is reliable, that will get you from point A to point B easily, I'll say go for this car. It has no other features. If you're looking for more features, get the more premium trim. This is the base trim. All it does is start, get in the car, you drive away. Like you can see, you can add your own little premium features to it. Like the heads-up display that I added. It's a nice touch. You know, I'm gonna miss this car, man. Bro, I'm still gonna have this car for a while. I don't know why I'm saying I'm gonna miss it, like as if I'm getting rid of it tomorrow. Still gonna have this car for a while, man. And the front wheel drive system is not bad. The transmission is okay. I just wish it had more power. That's the only thing I'll say. More power. I'll see you guys on the next one. It's been your boy Abnolimit. Peace out.